Have you ever wondered how the world's largest business software provider actually develops its solutions? In case you have, this is it. A first exclusive behind-the-scenes look into the heart of SAP. And these are some of the people who make it all happen. Developers, solution managers, and product owners whose first rounds of brainstorming have a lot more to do with handicraft than one would think.
After scribbling the designs and figuring out what way we are going, we have all the designs here and discuss at the board the flow from the beginning until the end. And at the board you can do this very easily and have a great discussion on the overall user interaction.
From idea to app, this is how it might look when Business by Design goes mobile. But until then, it's a long way to go. Many scribbles, designs, and ideas are still kept confidential. But what can be said about all mobile devices is they offer not only possibilities, but challenges, especially the iPad.
On the iPad you have more space than on the iPhone, so the paradigms are similar, but you have more gestures, you can show more things. We have to find out how can we use that space and how can we have a good advantage of it.
Different types of mobile devices fit the needs of different people. And with its new ByDesign solutions, SAP focuses on just that.
The iPad itself can detect 10 fingers, and you can really work with a multi-touch environment. The BlackBerry, on the other hand, uses very much lists and click and act on those lists. On the iPhone, on the other hand, also a little differently. You have to understand how people use the software, plus you have to develop your applications in that way so that the people intuitively know how to use your applications.
The new Business by Design mobile solutions are developed by SAP teams around the globe, in Germany, China, Hungary, and Israel. How do people make this international project come to life? We wanted to find out and took a trip to Israel, along with the product owner mobile.
I will meet the entire team here in Israel today, and so I would like to present our current roadmap and the mobile strategy.
In Ra'anana, just outside of Tel Aviv, a team of 10 is working on the new release for the iPhone and on more rugged devices for warehouse applications. As for the iPhone, user experience focuses on managers and salespeople on the road.
We have the possibility to even create sales orders on the mobile device. That means we can check if a certain product is on stock, can give a kind of availability to promise. The big gain for the salespeople is when they are back in the office, they don't have to log on to the system and have to enter all the data which they captured all the day. They can do it immediately on the road.
The SAP team in Shanghai is taking the lead in developing player technology for the iPhone and for RFID readers. Discussing the release details via video conference means true globalité.
Hi guys!
Once a week, these meetings take place and bring together what is over 5,000 miles apart.
We have virtually a team of 12 or a team of 13, which consists of 2 product owners, 2 Scrum Masters, and several architects.
Catching up with the team back home in Germany, there are new dashboard designs for the iPad to approve and new convincing apps to select. Marita knows what it takes for an app to be sad or sexy.
Even if an application is a great application, if you don't convince the user within the first 30 seconds, you have no chance to convince him later because the user will deinstall it already.
To know what will convince potential future users is a tough job and somewhat wizard-like. To make that easier, usability labs were invented.
We can go here to the usability lab and select like 10 to 15 people and really let them play with the software and give them certain tasks they should accomplish. Very often it's just a simple wording that you have to change or a rearrangement of buttons and functions that then makes it much easier for the end users.
From 5 ideas and designs, only one makes it into the final product. What we can ultimately expect for the new ByDesign release remains a well-kept secret for now.